We will solve the equation x plus 1 over x minus 1 equals 3 using quick, clear steps with highlights for the key ideas. Step 1. Domain. The denominator x minus 1 cannot be 0, so x minus 1 is not equal to 0, which means x is not equal to 1. Step 2. Clear the denominator by multiplying both sides by x minus 1. This is valid because x is not 1. Step 3. Expand each side. On the left, x times x minus 1 plus 1 equals x squared minus x plus 1. On the right, 3 times x minus 1 equals 3x minus 3. Step 4. Bring all terms to one side. Subtract 3x minus 3 from both sides. We get x squared minus 4x plus 4 equals 0. Step 5. Recognize a perfect square. X squared minus 4x plus 4 factors as open parenthesis x minus 2 close parenthesis squared. Therefore, set x minus 2 equal to 0. We get x equals 2. Final answer. X equals 2.
Thank you for watching. Tap like, share, and comment, and then follow and subscribe for more quick problem-solving tips. Let's make maths simple. One video at a time only on MyVerse Maths.